Hello everyone, this is Deborah Curtis. That's my name. I'm a professor of mathematics at Bloomfield College. I've taught there for 30 years and I've been a faculty athletic representative for 12 years. In 1995, I became the 37th African American woman to earn a PhD in mathematics in the United States, that is. I got that degree from Stevens Institute of Technology in Hoboken, New Jersey. I also hold a Bachelor of Science and Master of Science in Applied Mathematics and Computer Concentration, and those degrees came from C.W. Post College, which is now called LIU Post. And I have a master's degree from Stevens in mathematics as well. Mostly I teach linear algebra and differential equations. I've also taught discrete math. Mostly I teach the calc series, so pre-calculus, calcs 1, 2, and 3, and advanced calculus at Bloomfield College. Again, I've taught there for quite some time. Also, let's see, I like to bowl, and I'm on 2 bowling leagues. I enjoy spending time with my family. I like to travel. I've seen the pyramids and Taj Mahal, but mostly I love students. My philosophy is that I just believe that everyone can learn mathematics and that it is my job to find their learning styles. So if I can just match my teaching style to their learning style and just care about their education, then I believe I can do a good job. So I look forward to meeting you all, I hope. Bloomfield College has a very caring environment, and that is why I chose it. And I hope you get to experience that as well.